Embarking on a culinary adventure is an exhilarating journey that tantalizes the taste buds and awakens the senses. For foodies seeking to expand their gastronomic horizons, this curated list of the top must-try recipes offers a diverse array of mouth-watering dishes from around the world. From savory mains to decadent desserts, each recipe showcases the unique flavors, techniques, and ingredients that define its respective cuisine. With detailed cooking tutorials and tantalizing visuals, these recipes are sure to inspire culinary creativity and delight the palates of food lovers everywhere. Classic Italian margherita pizza. Transport yourself to the cobblestone streets of Naples with this iconic Italian pizza recipe. Start by preparing a homemade pizza dough using flour, yeast, salt, and water, then roll it out into a thin crust. Spread a layer of San Marzano tomato sauce over the dough, sprinkle with fresh mozzarella cheese, and top with fresh basil leaves. Drizzle with extra virgin olive oil and bake in a hot oven until the crust is golden and crispy. The result is a perfectly balanced pie with a chewy crust, tangy sauce, and creamy cheese, a true taste of Italy in every bite. Spicy chicken tikka masala. Embark on a culinary journey to the vibrant streets of India with this flavorful chicken tikka masala recipe. Marinate boneless chicken pieces in a mixture of yogurt, lemon juice, and a blend of spices including cumin, coriander, and garam masala. Grill or roast the chicken until charred and tender. Then simmer in a rich tomato-based sauce infused with aromatic spices such as turmeric, paprika, and cinnamon. Serve the chicken tikka masala with fluffy basmati rice and warm naan bread for a hearty and satisfying meal that's bursting with bold flavors and exotic spices. Japanese ramen with pork belly and soft-boiled egg. Indulge in the comforting warmth of a steaming bowl of Japanese ramen with this authentic recipe. Start by preparing a flavorful broth using pork bones, kombu seaweed, and dried bonito flakes, simmering for hours until rich and aromatic. Cook fresh ramen noodles until al dente, then assemble your bowl with slices of tender pork belly, soft-boiled eggs, thinly sliced green onions, and a sprinkle of nori seaweed. Ladle the hot broth over the noodles and garnish with a drizzle of sesame oil and a sprinkle of toasted sesame seeds. With its complex flavors and comforting warmth, this homemade ramen is sure to satisfy your cravings for Japanese comfort food. Mexican beef barbacoa tacos. Transport your taste buds to the bustling streets of Mexico with these mouth-watering beef barbacoa tacos. Start by marinating beef brisket in a mixture of lime juice, garlic, chipotle peppers, and Mexican spices such as cumin, oregano, and chili powder. Slow cook the beef until tender and succulent, then shred it with a fork and pile onto warm corn tortillas. Top with fresh salsa, diced onions, cilantro, and a squeeze of lime juice for a burst of flavor and freshness. With its bold spices and tender meat, these beef barbacoa tacos are a fiesta for the senses. French croque monsieur sandwich. Indulge in the decadent flavors of French cuisine with this classic croque monsieur sandwich recipe. Start by spreading Dijon mustard on slices of crusty bread, then layer with thinly sliced ham and Gruyere cheese. Top with another slice of bread and spread with a rich bechamel sauce made from butter, flour, and milk. Then sprinkle with grated Parmesan cheese. Bake in the oven until golden and bubbly, then serve hot for a deliciously indulgent meal that's perfect for brunch or lunch. With its creamy sauce, gooey cheese, and savory ham, the croque monsieur is a timeless French comfort food classic. Thai green curry with shrimp. Embark on a culinary journey to Thailand with this fragrant and flavorful green curry recipe. Start by sautéing aromatics such as garlic, ginger, and lemongrass in a pan, then add Thai green curry paste and cook until fragrant. Stir in coconut milk, fish sauce, and palm sugar. Then add fresh vegetables such as bell peppers, eggplant, and bamboo shoots. Simmer until the vegetables are tender, then add plump shrimp and cook until pink and opaque. Serve the green curry over steamed jasmine rice and garnish with fresh Thai basil leaves and sliced red chilies for a spicy and aromatic dish that's bursting with authentic Thai flavors. Greek moussaka. Delight in the rich flavors of Greek cuisine with this hearty and comforting moussaka recipe. Start by layering slices of eggplant and potatoes in a baking dish. Then top with a flavorful meat sauce made from ground lamb, onions, garlic, and tomatoes. Sprinkle with cinnamon and nutmeg for a touch of warmth and spice. Then pour over a creamy bechamel sauce made from butter, flour, and milk. Bake in the oven until golden and bubbly, then let cool slightly before slicing and serving. With its layers of tender vegetables, savory meat sauce, and creamy topping, moussaka is a classic Greek dish that's sure to please the whole family. Korean bibimbap. Embark on a culinary adventure to Korea with this colorful and flavorful bibimbap recipe. Start by sautéing an assortment of fresh vegetables, such as spinach, carrots, mushrooms, and bean sprouts until tender and vibrant. Cook steamed rice until fluffy and fragrant, then divide among individual bowls. Top the rice with the sautéed vegetables, slices of marinated beef, and a fried egg with a runny yolk. Drizzle with spicy gochujang sauce, and garnish with toasted sesame seeds and sliced green onions for a satisfying and nutritious meal that's as beautiful as it is delicious. Moroccan lamb tagine with couscous. Transport your taste buds to the exotic flavors of Morocco with this aromatic lamb tagine recipe. Start by marinating cubes of lamb shoulder in a blend of Moroccan spices such as cumin, coriander, cinnamon, and saffron. Sear the lamb until golden and caramelized. Then transfer to a tagine or Dutch oven along with diced tomatoes, dried apricots, and sliced onions. Slow cook until the lamb is tender and the flavors have melded together. Then serve hot with fluffy couscous and a sprinkle of chopped fresh herbs. With its fragrant spices and tender meat, Moroccan lamb tagine is a true taste of North Africa. Indian butter chicken, murg makhani. Indulge in the rich and creamy flavors of Indian cuisine with this decadent butter chicken recipe. Start by marinating pieces of boneless chicken in a mixture of yogurt, lemon juice, and Indian spices such as garam masala, ginger, and garlic. Grill or roast the chicken until charred and aromatic, then simmer in a velvety tomato-based sauce infused with butter, cream, and aromatic spices. Serve the butter chicken hot with steamed basmati rice or warm naan bread for a comforting and indulgent meal that's sure to satisfy your cravings for Indian comfort food. In conclusion, these top must-try recipes for foodies offer a tantalizing glimpse into the rich and diverse tapestry of global cuisine. Whether you're craving the bold flavors of Indian butter chicken, the aromatic spices of Moroccan lamb tagine, or the comforting warmth of Japanese ramen, these recipes promise to delight your taste buds and transport you on a culinary journey around the world. So gather your ingredients, roll up your sleeves, and embark on a delicious adventure that's sure to leave you craving more. Bon appétit! Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, and share,